Just add the butter. So here we have a nice selection of jacket potatoes. You got the larger ones, great for family, big eaters, all the way down to the average size eaters, I guess. Perfect for my family. That'll be my one. And yeah, that's the rest of them. So first, I like to spike them, leave it in the chopping board. If you're a bit nervous with this, then you can't hurt yourself, but nice small sharp knife, 3 each side. Now that just allows the gases to get out, and then it helps cook it further or more evenly. So while I'm doing this, I think it's a good opportunity just to say this is a new channel. I've got a little bit of support already, got 6 subscribers. If you're one of those 6 subscribers, please comment. It'd be lovely to hear from you. And if you want to subscribe for more content, please do help the channel grow. I love the fact that there's 6 people in the world that have chosen to subscribe, come back to see more recipes. It's really heartwarming for me. If you're one of those, yeah, by all means, you know, comment, just say hi. One of the original 6. Tomorrow might be 7, who knows? But if you're brand new, just get your name in there. Right, let's get these into the microwave. Right, jacket potatoes are out of the microwave. They have cooled a little bit, but people do say my hands like asbestos. I can pretty much hold anything hot. So with these, what I like to do then, pop them into a bowl one at a time. Either pour olive oil or some kind of oil on it, or butter, like a little sprayer. Just coat it quite nicely. And then I like to season. Salt and pepper. And as you start rolling them in here, if you've got a batch load going on, the bowl itself will hold some of the oil and some of the seasoning. So that's one done. Now, yes, they're very hot at the minute. When the oil gets onto them, it then starts really affecting your hands, so be careful. Rubber gloves, or the no-hand trick is in a bowl, spray, and just roll. And a bit more. So just leave it roll around. And then to get it out, just use a knife, pop it in there and lift it out. So I've got 2 more to do, and then we'll get into the air fryer. So at the air fryer, as I mentioned, we've got these in here, apple, puff pastry and cinnamon. I'm just going to pop 2 in. My wife's just come home from work, so we're going to have some lunch. So these 2 are going to go in. I'll show you what they look like when they're finished. Go. So we have our jacket potato here. Nice crispy is in here. Got that steam. Beautiful crispy shell. And then just add the butter. So this jacket's had, with 4 others, 12 minutes in the microwave and then 20 minutes in the air fryer. As I said, it was oiled, but yeah, absolutely perfect jacket potato. So that's my lunch, and I shall prepare my wife's now.